I am having some serious freaking FOMO right now. The market is running to the moon. I want to get in. I want to be a participant, but nope. Nope. I am going to refrain. I am not doing it. Even though I have a feeling it's going to go crack 400 before the day is done. I'm good. P&L recap. Let's go. So I finally got a good read on the Asian session. Why is that word has become impossible for me to say now? Session. So stupid. so, um, yeah, went long off of the what is this, third or fourth candle last night. Scaled out. Uh, Scaled out for 3. I think I held 1, carried it over, got it off. And then, does this pattern look familiar? Because it wasn't even 48 hours ago that this same pattern came up in the Asian session. And if you'll remember from my previous video, I said I went short at the bottom of this. Well, this one is a little different. The difference is I didn't bite. I didn't take the bait. But this candle actually does come almost all the way down into the first lowest point of the Asian Open was this candle right here. And as it sells back off, it comes back down. It actually eats a pretty good deal of that candle up. Dude, as it's cracking through right here, I so wanted to get short on it. But I didn't. I held on. I went long. Excuse me, let me close that. Uh, I went long into this and then scaled out of it. Um, and I concluded my night being up $370. That is a huge, huge win for me. Scroll over. Whew, was that PPI or whatever the numbers were this morning? That was a dump. And I didn't take another trade until the market opened, and this is literally one contract back and forth the rest of the day. So 3 trades in the open: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 trades. 12 trades when the New York session was open. And man, so I got kind of lucky today too. And I say that. I'm sure I would have, had I traded this, made some money. But right in here, I bet I would have got my head caved in. So just knowing me and how I am and how I trade, I could have very easily got trapped long in this portion right here. Very easily got trapped in this, because you would think that, oh, okay, well, now we've found a base. Now we're crawling back up. We're fixing to come back up here. And man, did people get their teeth knocked in on the way back down right there. That is ugly. Uh, and just as fast as it went up, it came right back down. So I was lucky to not trade this area right here. And that was my day. That was my day. This thing is very tempting to try to pop in on this. So let's go to the P&L, the monies, the magic. Cracked off 814.48 today. That's pretty awesome for me. That's pretty awesome. That puts my account total at $7,820. That's freaking awesome, because now that enables me to take a full payout or request a full payout tomorrow, and still have all of my drawdown on the account left, right? So 2750 is the max you can take out of a 150K account, and that will leave me with a plus $5,000 balance after that money is taken out. And now all of the pressure is off of my shoulders. And I say that, I mean, if you are a trader and you trade, well, you know that the pressure is never off of your shoulders because you're trading. I'm saying of making it to the payout round with some cushion. Mission accomplished for me there. Yeah. Now the daunting task of coming back and adding evals. I am not looking forward to doing that. Adding a bunch of evals sucks. But it's a necessary evil. It's necessary that I get through and get to the other side of getting 20 funded accounts. You know, watching some of these other guys trade, and they're not even pumping out. Some of them aren't even pumping out big numbers, right? Uh, do I think I will get 20 accounts and be able to post $800, $600, $1,100 P&Ls? No. No, I do not think that. I think it will be very, very challenging for me to get in there and get all of them to $300 to $400 in a day personally, because I don't. The way that I trade, it's going to be hard for the trade copier to keep up. Um, just in this one right here, I will give you an example of why. This was one account today. One account. I'm short here. It pops up. Yeah, that's ugly. I've already got a huge cushion. I'm not worried about it. I mean, that sounds bad, but it's true. As long as it didn't come back up here and crack the highs, I really wasn't worried about it. It rolls back off, especially because of what the SPY was doing at the time. The SPY wasn't going anywhere. It was going down. That's the reason why I got in right there. But as this rolls down and over, and then it picks up speed as it cracks through, well, I had already plotted this as a take profit, and as it rolls down through, I hit the flatten all button. Well, it took me out of the trade, but it put me in long. So I know you guys have experienced this. I know I've talked about this before on some of my videos. If that was with 20 accounts and all of a sudden I'm long, well, that sucks. uh, Granted, I got out and it was like, I don't even know if is that a point? Yeah, it put me back in long. So that's 1 point. 1 point. That's like $20. But still, if you don't catch it right then and it continues to sell off, say I'm not looking at all 20 of them on the P&L, and all of a sudden I look and be like, oh crap, 15 of these jokers are $500 in the hole now. Well, yeah, so long story short, I'm not sure exactly how. I know trading them one at a time would suck. I would like to trade them. First of all, I need to go get them before I talk about how I'm going to trade them. But it's coming. It's on the horizon. So anyway, all in all, I had an awesome day today. I have zero complaints. And let's scroll back over here and look at this thing one more time. If I don't close this chart, I'm going to end up jumping in this and maybe even do something stupid. And I would very much not want to do that. All right. As always, I appreciate you all tuning in, and I will catch you next time. Take care.